Hi everyone, a bit of an unexpected video here, bit of a request for information really. I've just been checking my Kelsey onions and I found that what seems to be green fly really this early time of the year. I mean, what's the best way to treat that? Do I just wipe them off or do I spray them or something? Comments would be appreciated. So I'll just go and show you what we got. I mean, these are basically the plants, and you can see like there's green fly all the way along this stem here. Yeah, that's all green fly along there, and even going up the little stems. Only what noticed me was there were all these little white specks on the compost. I thought, what's that? And I had a good look. There seems to be green fly everywhere. But not just on that plant. If you look down the end of that one, where are we going? Bit hard to see really. Let's come back a bit. Oh, there we go. See the green fly there? So we just wipe them off. Let's have a look at the other plant. Now that one seems to be alright. Oh, hang on. No, there we go. No, that one might be alright. It just seems to be this plant. Move it into the shade, might be able to see that a bit better. The sun's playing havoc at the moment. So, what's the best thing? Just wipe them off? Spray them? What do you think? I don't know what all these little white things are. Eggs of some form. So I've only got 3 show onions left at the moment. I mean, I know, so let's come out a little bit. There we go. So we're looking about only about 9 inches long at the moment, so they're still quite small really. I mean, that was maybe a foot, but green fly attack very early in the year. See how it goes. Comments would be appreciated. See you later. Bye then.